Well, good morning, Facebook friends around the world. It is Mr. Sunshine, and I'm coming to you live this morning, heading to Lauderdale. That's right, we heading down to the big Lauderdale, down here in a rainy South Florida this morning. We got a little bit of Def Leppard going on as we're easing on down the road. That's right. Well, let me tell you something. I woke up this morning at 5 a.m., and I said, Sunshine, we gonna do it. We gotta get up there. We gotta go to Lauderdale. Lynn Sorsey, Kathy Gray. It is a beautiful, ladies, when I wake up in the morning and I turn on that Facebook and I've got all those beautiful women all on feed. I say, Sunshine, oh God, I'm the luckiest guy going today. You know why? Because when I wake up and I see Lynn Sorsey, I see Kathy Gray, I got all those beautiful women. Gregory Scott Ratner, I even like you too. You're a nice guy. Well, you know what? Let me tell you something. You and I, Gregory Ratner, you and I, we're going to have a very busy season this year. We got a lot going on. And let me tell you something, Gregory. When we're sitting there at the International Art Jewelry Show, when we're down on Worth Avenue, we may have Lynn Sorsey standing over there. You're going to have Kim sitting over there. We're going to have Kathy Gray. Oh, we're going to have some of this going on. Oh, yeah. This is how it's going. This is the morning sunshine show. And you know what? Even though we woke up in the rain, we're waking up. Look at this. Look at all this traffic down here on I-95. Mr. Sunshine. I'm not... Oh, Lynn. You got that smile on your face. Well, let me tell you something, Lynn. If you're thinking for a second that Mr. Sunshine is not going to put a smile on your face each and every morning, go ask Kathy Gray. Go ask Lynn, Dawn, Denise, and Debbie. Go ask Thelma and Louise. They're all going to have a smile on their face. That's right. Well, let me tell you something. Lynn, you're going to find yourself on the back of your boyfriend's motorcycle, ride shotgun alongside Mr. Sunshine. We may end up to Jupiter. We may head on over to Doris's and have a little lunch. We may go down to Hot Dogopolis, and we're going to shove a couple of Harvey's hot dogs down your throat. You may find yourself in Fort Lauderdale, Los Angeles Boulevard. So you never know. But I tell you what. Oh, there you go. Gregory Scott Ratner. Gregory, you and I, pal, you and I going to end up in Taboo. Or we may end up at the Bend. We may end up at the Bend, sitting up at a penthouse party, saying, oh, Mr. Sunshine, how's it going down with Gregory Scott Ratner? Well, let me tell you, Gregory, while you're sitting over there with a blonde, brunette, redhead, and Sinead O'Connor sitting over there, I'm going to be filming. There we go. But are you getting in? I'm really getting in. Oh, here it comes. But are you getting in? I'm really from Mr. Sunshine. I promise you. You know what, Kathy Gray? You know what, Gregory? You bring Gloria Hollis. You bring that body of a Greek goddess. Bring that long blonde hair. Bring Precious. Bring little Precious with Gloria Hollis. Because you know why? While we're sitting at a penthouse party at the Bend, sitting there sipping champagne, taking pictures, filming 11. Oh, Gregory. Gregory, you look good. You look good, Gregory, all right? I'm not going to give you any shortcomings there. But let me tell you something, Eddie. When you're sitting next to Gloria Hollis, You're the main event. You're the center of attention when everybody at the penthouse pool party walks up that elevator and gets out, and they go, oh, there's Gregory Scott Radner over there with the illustrious Gloria Hollis. Well, let me tell you something. We're going to make sure, Daddy, we're going to make sure that the whole world's going to know what's going on at the penthouse pool party. You know why, You know why, Gregory? There you go, Gregory. This is what's playing for you. Oh, yeah. Oh, the beautiful girl. That's right. That's how it's going to get out. Lies Raymond. Hey, Lies. Good morning. It is Mr. Sunshine. You know, Lies, you came right on the feed with beautiful women and Van Halen and David Lee Roth and Mr. Sunshine. Well, let me tell you something, Miss Raymond. You may find yourself sitting right. I'm going to move Louie. Louie's going to have to sit back while Lies Raymond's there. You may have Kathy Gray sitting there. You know what, Gregory? You sat over there. You know what it's all about. Running around town to town, city to city, penthouse to penthouse to penthouse. That's right. Well, let me tell you something. You better make sure, you know what, we're going to get up to that bed, Daddy. We're going to have that big Rolls Royce parked downstairs. You're going to say, Gloria Hollis. We're going to take the express elevator right here up to the penthouse. Well, let me tell you something, Daddy. You're going to find yourself sitting poolside. You're going to find yourself sipping a little champagne. You're going to be sitting there next to Gloria Hollis and the whole penthouse pool party saying, there's Gregory Radner. Look who's sitting over there with her. There's Gloria Hollis. Let me tell you something. There you go. Prisoner of the night. Entangled in your web. Hot whispers in the night. I'm captured by your side. Oh yes, I'm touched by the show of emotion. Try me fractured by the light of devotion. Gregory, I'll tell you what, Captain Gray, I hope you're all having a great morning. Let me tell you something, this is what you're very good to me. That's how it's gotta be now. 'Cause I don't have no hits, but you just like all true. You're very good to me. That's what you have to say to yourself each and every morning. You wake up out of bed, you look in the mirror, and they say, you know what? The world had better be good to me because it's an animal out there. It's savage. It's a jungle. And you know what? Only you have the opportunity. You have the opportunity to make things happen the way you want it. You're at the advantage. If you're surrounded by negativity, if you're surrounded by losers, and nobody wants to be a loser. So you know what? Make the decisions yourself. Cut out the cancer. Throw it out. Tell him to stick his dick in his shoe and beat it. Get it out of there. You don't need to deal with it. Because you know why? That's how it's gotta be now. 'Cause I don't have time for your overloaded lies. You better go to me. Oh, yes. And it's only you gonna decide how you're gonna be good and how you want to be treated. You understand what I'm talking about? I sit here each and every day. My Instagram is coming up to 5 million views, and we got people probably saying, Sunshine, I don't want to have anybody be bad to me. I want everybody to be good to me. Well, only you have to decide who's good and who's bad. All right? We're not talking about Las Vegas. We're not talking about the odds there. You're talking about yourself. So you know what? Take the odds by yourself and make it 100%. Get rid of toxicity. Get rid of the scumbags, the lowlifes, the liars, the losers, the cheats, and the thieves out of your life. That's how it goes. All right?
And it's not real, and do not wish to see it. Why can't you be? Good to me. Why can't you be? Good to me. Why can't you be? Good to me. Why can't you be? Good to me.
That's right.
Why can't you be?
Tina Turner sang it best. She got rid of Ike Turner and became a superstar. Well, I'm here to tell you, listen to Tina Turner. Mr. Sunshine knows the game better than anybody. That's how it goes, each and every day. Now, you know, we're going to ease on down to Lauderdale, and I'm going to leave you with this thought. Life is too short. It's too short not to be happy, not to be smiling, not to be feeling loved and respected. Okay, you understand what I'm talking about now? And if anybody out there is not getting that treatment, which is a basic human law, well, only you can make that decision. Nobody else is going to do it for you. So there you go. God loves you, and Eddie does too. I'll come back live a little bit later. We're going to show you what's causing all this. It's sunny South